Hello friends, today we are going to see chapter number 2, angles of class 6 of Maharashtra State Board. In that we are going to see here practice set number 2. Let's start. Our first question is match the following. In that, in first column they have given the measurement of the different angle, and in second column we have to match the types of angle. First one is 180 degree. 180 degree, its angle can be drawn like this. It is look like a straight line. That's why 180 degree angle is known as straight line. It will match with B straight line. Now second one is 240. 240 degree angle is more than 180. That's why this angle is called as reflex angle. 240 angle is a reflex angle. Then third one is a 360. 360 is called as a complete angle because it makes a complete rotation, and this angle measure 360 degree. Okay, that's why it is called as a complete angle. 0 degree means there is no angle between two rays, and it is called as zero angle. Second question, the measures of some angles are given below. Write the types of each angle. We have to write the types of each angle. First one is 75 degree. It is acute angle because the angle which are measured, the angles which measures less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree is called as acute angle. Second one, 0 degree, it is zero angle. Then third one, 215 degree, it is reflex angle because reflex angle is the angle which measures more than 180 but less than 360. Fourth one is 360 degree, which is called complete angle. Fifth one, 180 degree, it is straight angle. It is look like straight line. That's why it is called as straight angle. 6, 120, it is called as obtuse angle because the angle which measures than 90 degree and more than 90 degree and less than 180 is called as obtuse angle. Seventh one is 140. It is also obtuse. It is more than 90 degree. And eighth one is 90 degree. It is called as right angle. Right angle. Question number 3. Look at the figures below and they write the types of each of the angle. First one is less than 90. A angle is less than 90. That's why it is called as acute. angle. B, it is right angle. Then this C figure is of, it is more than 90, it is more than 180 also, it is more than 180 also. Just look at the angle starts from here, and when it is here it is 180 and is more than 180. That's why it is called as reflex angle. Reflex angle. The figure D is of straight angle. Straight angle. Figure E is not making any measures, it is zero angle. And figure F is complete angle. Complete angle, which is of 360 degree.